Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sovan and in this video I am going to show you guys how to play Android games on your PC officially for free. For that you need to go to the Google Play Games website. Its link is given in the description of this video. To download the software, click on this download beta button and select the location you want to save the setup file. I am going to select desktop and click on save. Once it is downloaded, double click on the setup file and click on install. Then it will start downloading the latest version of this software, so wait for it to download. Once downloaded, it will automatically start installing it as well. After the installation, you will be greeted with this page where it says Welcome to Google Play Games. Here you need to click on Sign in with Google. After clicking on Sign in with Google, you will be redirected to the default browser you are using. There you need to sign in with the email ID that you are already using in your smartphone while playing games. This will allow you to resume your games from the level you are currently playing on your smartphones. After the sign-in process is complete, you can close the web browser and open Google Play Games. Here it will ask you to confirm if it is the same Google account you are using in your smartphone while playing your favorite games. If it is, then click on Looks Good, or else you can change the email ID by clicking on Switch Profile. For me, this is the correct Google account, so I am going to click on Looks Good. Then you need to accept the terms and conditions by clicking on Accept. Now, as I do not want to share my app usage data with Google, I like to disable this option and then click on Finish. Now this software is set up correctly and ready to use. All that is left to do is find your favorite game that you want to play. Such as, I would like to install Free Fire Max. So I go to this Explore option and search the game. Then click on the game and click on install. Then wait for the game to download and install. Once it is installed, this play option will be there. Just click on it and the game should start loading. If for any reason the game doesn't start, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements to run this application on your PC, which can be seen in the website. And also the hardware virtualization is on. Now once the game loads, and if you feel it's lagging, you can easily change the settings of the software by clicking on Shift plus Tab key. Then you will get game options, where you can reduce the screen resolution to play this game smoothly. You also get the option to get out of full screen, adjust volume of the game, and also view game controls, where you can see the default key bindings using which you can play the game. After changing settings, if you still feel the game is not running smoothly, you can easily reduce the graphics settings of the game to get more smoother gameplay. Now finally, if you want to uninstall any game, all you need to do is select the game in your library. Then click on the three dots beside the play button and click on uninstall, and the game will be uninstalled. That's it for this tutorial video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.